Number one killer that I see of people's dreams and ambitions is Overcomer Nation. It's your boy John, back at another site, doing a quick walk. We're already contracted for this job. We got to get in here soon. We got about 200 units that need to get done, so definitely a lot of work. You can kind of see them at this job is big hotel, 200 units. We're gonna do the windows. We're gonna do the final clean, everything on the floor, the whole nine. So this project we've been waiting on for, I don't know, almost a year or two now. It's been a long delayed project, so we'll be getting on it soon. The main thing is if you want to succeed in this business, you got to stay vigilant. You need multiple projects, man. You need multiple projects. You can't just do one. You got to do multiple. If you do one, you're going to be dead in the water. You're going to die. It's not going to cash flow you enough. It's not going to feed you the way you want it to be fed. And if you're going to keep a team on full time, then that's what you got to do. But first and foremost, you got to overcome that fear, man. That fear. The fear and frustration and anxiety. That's what happens to most people is they get on a project, they want to do a project, but they get nervous, they get scared, they get overwhelmed. You know, what if I don't have the money? What if I don't have the resources? What if I don't have the people, right? And we got to clean 200 of these units that all look like this. You know, they even have kitchens. So we got to clean every single one of these interior. And on top of it, we have to clean the exterior windows. So when you're faced with a big project, you need to be ready to take it on. Don't be scared, be ready. Be vigilant, be confident. The number one killer that I see of people's dreams and ambitions is they stop too early or they fear the unknown. Both of those will knock you on your ass. You need to be ready to go through it. You need to be ready to take on anything that comes your way. I don't have a lot. Actually, I have very little. But I've been able to figure out a way to overcome all of my obstacles, no matter what. Think of it as being backed into a corner. When you get backed into a corner, what happens? You have two options. One of them, you stay in the corner, right? Let's say we get backed into this little corner right here. We're in the corner. Now we have two options. One, we can push forward, get away from that corner. The other option is we could stay in this corner. We can get stuck. Nowhere to go, right? No left, no back, no down, no up. Your only real option is to push forward. So you're free again. You can walk again. You can move on. You can handle your business. Don't get stuck in the corner, man. Don't get stuck in the corner. Don't be that guy that goes in the corner, stays in the corner, sits down in the corner, and gets nothing done. You need to think of the gratitude of the opportunities that you have today. The only thing that's gonna make you quit is you don't feel like you're good enough. You don't feel like you can handle it. So you lay down and you quit. I don't want that to be you, man. I don't want you to get stuck in that corner. So many people have dreams and ambitions, but they never get to actually see that reality because they get stuck in the corner. They don't push forward. And so my message to you today is never get stuck in a corner. Anytime you get back into that corner, you push back, you go forward. That's the only option. It's the only option, my friend. There is no fucking other option. The only option is to push forward. If you are back in the corner and you don't know how to win, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to get the money, you don't know how to get the next job, you don't know how to pay the guys, the only option is to push forward. You cannot lay down, you cannot go backwards, you cannot go left, you cannot go right. So think of your life this way: as you are backed in a corner, you are stuck, and there's no other option but for you to push forward. If you do this, I promise you, you will win. If you push forward and you don't allow yourself to get stuck, you don't allow yourself to get back into that corner, and you push and you show up and you do the necessary action steps, you will get what you want. Let's make that our ambition this month. Let's get what we want. Let's do what's necessary. Let's push out of the corner. Let's not let it hold us back.